All right, good morning. We're doing a breakfast burrito made with venison. Here we go. So I got my venison here. I put it in a bowl. I don't know why. You could season it in the pan, but I'm going to season it with 1/8 teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, cumin, and oregano. I'm going to put that in there, mix it together, let it sit for a little bit so the flavors can blend together. No more than 10 minutes or so. Then, once I got that done, I'm going to put it in a fry pan and then start to brown it up with a little bit of olive oil there. Break up the clumps. There you go. I'll make a little, it's not a volcano, but kind of like that. Make a little island for your onions to go into. Got 1/4 of red onion diced and 1/2 of a red fresno chili also diced that I'm going to throw in there. No seeds though. I'm going to mix that about. And then I'm going to cover it for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. Then they should be about done. Move it around for another minute or so. And that will be about done. So, but I do need to warm up my tortilla, so I'll throw it over the top for about 30 seconds or so. That's 2 eggs scrambled, 1/4 pound of my meat mixture, about half, and then cheese, cheddar. Then I put some Texas Pete's on there, wrap it up snugly, snug as a bug in a rug. Yeah. Now, I'll put a little bit of olive oil in a hot pan, and I'm going to cook that burrito for about a minute or so on each side to really just warm it up and make it a little bit crispy on the outside. And that'll be pretty good.